Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Cloudflare DNS in Google Chrome. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your Chrome settings, and once you're here, you will just have to go to privacy and security, and then you will scroll down to security again, and then you will scroll down until you see use secure DNS. And what you will have to do is toggle it on, and then for the DNS provider, you will just have to select Cloudflare 1.1.1.1.1, and yeah, that's basically just it. You will just have to click that, or you could also add custom DNS service provider, and then you will just have to type in 1.0.0 and point 0 as secondary. And yeah, finally, you will just have to visit a website to confirm that it loads faster or check DNS resolution using online tools. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.